DelGrosso's Park and Laguna Splash. It is a beautiful day. This is where you want to be in this summertime. Joining me now, we have Amy Markle. Amy, thank you so much for welcoming us out.
Hey, we're in Italy. We got the Leaning Tower of Pisa behind us, a great place to cool off.
What I always say is I cannot believe there is an Italian-themed water park in central Pennsylvania, and what I just learned is it's the only Italian-themed water park.
In the United States, yeah. We're just 25 minutes south of State College, and we're a unique park because we have a ride park and we have a water park, and your all-day fun pass gets you both. So you decide what you want to do. You can spend the day, a lot of folks will spend the day in the water first, then go across the bridge and enjoy the rides. And some people call us a restaurant with rides, so food is very important. We're known as the home of family fun and famous food, and folks enjoy it.
You brought it up. You said when a water park and an amusement park are run by Italians, you know you're going to be eating good.
That's right.
So you do have the burgers and the dogs, but you got some other good stuff.
Thank goodness. I mean, kids made sure there's chicken tenders and fries. Like, we know our audience. But yes, the pasta house, which you got to enjoy some of the pasta.
Amazing.
You pick the pasta that you want, then you pick the DelGrosso's sauce and any toppings, whether you want chicken or sausage, you can pick it up and put it on there. Our most famous potato salad, a summertime favorite for picnics, just over at the beginning of the month in the 4th of July, that weekend, over 3,000 pounds. And it's hand-peeled potatoes, homemade potato salad, sloppy Joe fries with nacho cheese.
Some people come to the park just to eat, right?
A lot of people come just to eat.
I know I have to get my funnel cake whenever I'm here.
And we have new funnel cakes that are called Extreme funnel cakes.
No way.
Extreme, after our Extreme Tower.
Yeah.
So you can have the birthday one with ice cream and sprinkles and whipped cream, or ice cream, whipped cream, and Oreo cookies.
Okay, yes, I'll try one of each. I just love it so much. I mean, you've got the lazy river on the water park side, the Leaning Tower of Pisa. You said you've got super fast slides.
And the wave pool. So you're just like you're in the ocean.
This is perfect. And then the amusement park, I mean, you were even saying some of the rides date back. There's so much history.
Our carousel turned 100 last year, our Herschel Spillman carousel. It's in the heart of the park. Everybody loves to go for a carousel ride. It doesn't matter what your age, you can enjoy a carousel ride. Then we have our new Extreme Tower this year. It was rebuilt, refurbished, so you're getting a bird's eye view of all those great things. And then our Rockstar. So there's just there's something for everybody. And Kids Kingdom, that's where the kids can go and be on their own. Mom and Dad love that. They can take the pictures, they can take the video, and just enjoy. So it's affordable family fun right in your own backyard.
I say that all the time. We are so lucky to have this. You said just 25 minutes from Happy Valley, and it's a wonderful experience that you can't get anywhere else.
You're making family fun memories, and that's what we want people to do. Come out for the day, unplug. I mean, you're gonna take pictures with your phone, but unplug, forget about it, and just let the kids have fun. Eat all that fun stuff that you get to enjoy when you go to an amusement park. And you can even eat before you come, and it'll help save you money. On the back of our spaghetti sauce jars, our DelGrosso original pasta sauce, there's a $5 off coupon. So you can save $5 off of your ticket. So an all-day fun pass is only $38, but if you have that coupon, you save $5.
But that $38 gets you into the two parks.
It's everything.
That's a no-brainer. We also said if you live local and you know you want to come more than once.
If you come more than 3 times, a season pass pays for itself.
Wow. Wonderful. I just love everything about DelGrosso's. What do you love so much about it?
Well, the nice part for me, I think, is just watching all those generations of people come. Grandparents that came when it was Bland's Park, and now they're bringing their grandchildren, and they share those stories with us. They tell us, that they love coming back generation after generation after generation. And the DelGrosso family truly believes in giving back to the community, but the community has been good to us too. They know that this is a place that they can have affordable family fun in a clean environment, and that's what's important.
Hey, if you've never been, you have to check out DelGrosso's. Keep making those wonderful memories. Amy, thank you for having me.
Thanks for being here.
I might have to put on my suit and go hit some rides.
All right.
Thank you so much for watching. I'm your host, Rebecca Pettner. We'll be back next time.